The Southwest Michigan Research and Extension Center is located in Benton Harbor in the southwest corner of the state. It is a very diverse agricultural region in Michigan where fruit and vegetable breeding and variety evaluations are just part of the work done at the 350-acre site.
This is where the industries that grow this crop are located. Right across the road is a great big farm. If we would just go over the hill, we'd see a farm growing these same crops. So if we were to do this work on our main campus, for example, up in East Lansing, it wouldn't translate as readily as if we do it right here with the soils and the climate and the water that is so conducive to these crops. We are blessed.
Raspberries are being examined in the multi-bay high tunnel, which provides protection during the growing season.
Raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries, they all benefit to some degree from high tunnel structures, but raspberries are the clear winner. So in the case of raspberries, we find a doubling of the yield under high tunnels. We find the fruit are larger. We find that we can extend the harvest season so that growers can move into higher price market windows. And most importantly, we find that the quality is better. So by keeping the rain off of the berries, we can reduce the amount of fungal growth on the berries, the amount of rot, and really improve the quality of raspberries.
Researchers are also delving into gourmet potatoes.
Chefs, gourmet market, high-end clientele, and that's why I'm growing them here, is because a lot of our growers in this area go over to the Chicago farmers markets, and a lot of foodie types hang out at those markets and are looking for something different. People like to have something different in their diets. And so there's, like I said, there's 37 different varieties in here. Some are more standard looking. Yukon Gold is probably one that people are more familiar with. Red Pontiac is another one that's in here. But then there's these purple fingerlings. There's some of Dave Douch's material from MSU, blackberry, 19 others that he has in here, some just breeding lines that he's still testing. But the whole idea is to show the growers in this area that they can grow these here and they can take them over to the Chicago area, and what they find is that you can get like 4 times the price for these as you can for regular potatoes. And so that's the whole idea behind this.
Peaches are popular at the research center.
Michigan State University has a very important role in keeping the peach industry going in Michigan. Techniques for peach breeding are becoming more complicated each year, some of the molecular techniques. So being able to incorporate those into the breeding program is something that a university would be equipped to do more than a private grower. There's some of the aspects of developing new peach varieties that are very tricky. For example, new diseases will show up. Being able to know what those new diseases are, how to handle them. Michigan State pushes research forward, but it also appreciates what is really needed in the grower community. What are the most pressing problems? What are the bottlenecks? What are the things that need to be worked on?
The Southwest Michigan Research and Extension Center is researching a 7-foot trellis to increase grape production.
Because this trellis is tall enough, we can actually put lower on the trellis a second production area. So this is part of increasing the yield per acre. We will, yes, get most of the production, maybe 3/4 of the production up here, but we will add another yield component with this 7-foot trellis, and that is not current commercial production practice.
Michigan State University AgBioResearch, changing the face of science.